Hoppy back once again, and today we're going to be talking about a stock that I have been investing in for a little while now since it's been dipped down from its high. And today I'm going to try to relay to you why I'm in this stock and why I believe this is a good stock to go into long term. So let's hop right into it. Shopify is currently at $40, 77% down from its all-time high of $176, and I believe that Shopify can reclaim that high and go even higher long term. I'm not saying it can't move down lower currently, because of course stocks can always go down short term, but I believe over the long term this stock will make all-time highs that are higher than its current all-time high, which means at least a 77% gain from where it's at now. I'm currently trying to load up as much as I can while it's down here at this price. Next up, the problem. Shopify stock is an e-commerce site that offers its customers the ability to create personalized websites for anything they might want to sell. This means Shopify is a technology and e-commerce company, and oftentimes in struggling economy or bear market, investors are less likely to invest in a growth e-commerce company or any technology company. However, in a bull run, it is often the opposite effect. The same stocks see the largest returns because people are saying, oh, we have all this extra money to put into the growth of these growth stocks. And once Shopify starts growing, it might take off to a great height. Trust me. Shopify is a growth tech stock that will struggle in a bear market and soar in a bull market. Next up, the solution. The best way to treat Shopify is to do your own DD, like always. Enter at a price you're comfortable at and continue to DCA while holding and waiting for the next bull run. Shopify being down 77% from all-time high makes this a good entry if you believe in Shop. Obviously, only if you believe in it. Do your own DD, but if you believe in Shopify long-term, it being 77% down right now from its all-time high is really a good sign for you to get your money into it. Because even if it drops, say, to 100%, now it's 23% down. If you truly believe in Shopify, you believe it's going to come back to those all-time highs that you've seen before, then you're going to want to put money into it now and continue to dollar cost average down until the bull run comes, and then you can reassess your portfolio then and continue to hold, buy more, or sell a little bit and add into a different company if you see another opportunity out there. That of course has to be up to you, but the one thing you have to remember is you have to be willing to hold this company long term. Your plan when buying should be to hold for the next 5 years. Any stock you buy, in my opinion. And if you're green before 5 years and you think, oh, I better get this money out, then do it. But if you're red, continue holding for at least 5 to 10 years. Of course, unless you hear of a delisting or something like that, really bad news, you play it by ear. But let's get on to the next slide. Why I own Shopify. I own Shopify stock because I believe over the years it will continue to be the number one e-commerce site for new businesses looking to move their business online. And I believe, sorry for the spelling error, I believe because of this, Shopify stock long term will continue growth and create higher highs and lower lows. Any investor must be able to weather the storm, but holding Shop long term, in my opinion, is a great option to consider. And that's truly why I'm in it. I truly believe Shopify in a bull market will be one of the greatest return stocks you will see. Like, whenever some bull runs start coming for the whole market, there's been some days where some companies have went up 20%. I think Shop can have easily a 30 to 20% day on a bull day. And I'm trying to get as much money as I can into it before that 20% bull day comes. And like I said, do y'all own DD. Let's get on to the next slide. This is why I own Shopify. I say Shopify is my third largest stock in my portfolio. Long-term viewers of this channel know SellB, of course, is my number one. And then I think I got a little bit more in Amazon than Shopify. But I'm going to be looking to add a little bit more into Shopify, catching it up to Amazon. Once I have Amazon and Shopify caught up in terms of monetary value and shares held or something like that, I will continue to put in other companies as well. But for now, I think Shopify is my number one stock that I'm going to be dumping majority of my money into, along with SellB. Alright, last slide, y'all. Here on this channel, I shout out stocks I believe in long term, but remember to do your own DD to see if any of these stocks in my videos match your personal risk and reward preferences, and make sure to invest in companies you believe in long term. I just wanted to hammer that in really good. Also, down below, press the like button. Go ahead and comment if you like Shopify or whatever you want to comment. Go ahead and leave some stocks that you do like in the comment below, and I'll do a DD on them if you want me to. This is a community channel, like I've been telling y'all for a long time. This is going to continue to be a community channel, so I want y'all to go ahead and comment down below if you have any stocks you want me to take a look at, or just if you want to tell me what your number one stock in your portfolio is. Also, definitely tell me if you love Shopify or if you like Shopify stock. I don't know if I would say I love it, but I like it a lot, and I'm going to continue to buy it as long as the price in the market is matching what I want it to be. And I love seeing it at 40 bucks. If you're young, you should love seeing stocks down, not up. Because you're young, you can put money into them stocks for years, and then they can go up. You know what I'm saying? So I try to keep it low. I was honestly happy and sad at the same time seeing CellB go out of the penny range. I would have liked to add more time to add to it. The video went on a little longer than I was expecting, guys, but I want to thank you. If you're still here, definitely comment down below anything that you want me to look at or anything you want to just tell me, and press the like button, and I appreciate it, y'all. Have a great one.